Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Now, I've been looking at the back of my car for a little while and I've got to admit, it's missing something. Now, you know, I've gone around, I've de-chromed it, I've got front skirt on it, I've got side skirts, but it's just missing something off the back end and it needs a nice little lip spoiler, which is something I have purchased from Tesery. I spent my own money. I did buy my spoiler because the one I bought off AliExpress wasn't great. So yeah, I actually spent some money and it's turned up and we can finally get the back end of this car looking how it should. So firstly, I have to apologise. It's bright and hot out here today and I haven't overly cleaned my car. It is rather filthy, solely for the fact that I had it cleaned about a week ago, and you know, when you put the spoiler on you can't have it cleaned for a couple of days while the glue and sticky stuff sets. So I've just cleaned this area off, got it all nice and smooth and clean, ready for me to install the spoiler. And then after, once it's set a little bit, the car's going to need a proper clean. So yeah, I'll get it done then. But yeah, it's just a bit messy. But yeah, the car without a spoiler, it's quite plain looking, to be fair, on the back end. But let's get the spoiler out and we'll have a look at it. Right, so here we have the box. Now this actually arrived a couple of days after I did my dash display that they sent out to me. Obviously they sent that out to me, but I purchased this myself. Right, what we have here is the spoiler. It turned up very well protected. I went for a glossy ABS spoiler. I'm not really into the carbon fibre on sort of like your standard model cars, because you know everyone knows it's not quite what you're trying to make it out to be. So yeah, the spoiler, it's got a few little dimples in it, which is quite nice. I need to measure it up to the car. There we go. It's gonna look great. If you see, I've blacked out the chrome sort of Tesla logos. Again, I actually bought them from Tesery. Just didn't bother actually record it. I just didn't, because it was so much easier. But I thought I'd show this off. Now this, I am super excited about, and it looks nice. Now we also have some more tape and some adhesion promoter. I don't know why we need more tape, but it's got some quite thick tape as well. But we'll put that safe. Let's see if it will lift without that falling off. Yes. Now we need a few things. We're going to need the tape measure. We're going to need some tape, because I'll make sure it's perfectly centered and then mark off where we want to position it, so that when we actually go to take the tape off and actually stick it down, it will stick perfectly. So from there. So Right, so what I've done is I have marked where that's basically 17 centimetres in either side, and then by the time we push it down it should marry up both sides, be central and look really nice. So it's just a case of, let's start the peel, take that off so it doesn't scratch the car. So we'll get in both sides, start removing the top bit, not too, obviously not too much, but just enough. You get that on nicely. We can gently and slowly pull this off and start getting it stuck down. Right, and pretty much just like that, so nice and easy, it's installed. Look how fantastic it looks. It's such a difference. So obviously they recommend letting it set properly for 48 hours. Best thing is we're actually sort of quite lucky. It's a really nice hot day today. So yeah, I'm gonna let that set and do its job. But it has transformed the back end of this car. No more plain, boring looking Tesla Model Y, just with a simple spoiler that costs less than £100. Now obviously I'll put all the links in that in the description below, and obviously I paid for this out of my own money. And yeah, it's fantastic, super easy to install. Obviously just measuring up to make sure that you actually get it a little bit, get it central, so you don't have to try and take it off, because the cheap one that I had previously, I tried taking back, I had to take off because I didn't put it on properly and it looked terrible. But yeah, nice, simple, less than 10 minutes installation, and it has transformed the back end of this car really well. Now obviously any discounts and everything else from Tesery I will put in the description below. I believe you can actually save 10% on any of your orders from there with my discount code, which will be in the description below. But yeah, quick, easy, 10-minute, simple, complete transformation. And obviously give it a couple of days to set, then I can get the car cleaned and it will look amazing. But what do you think? Nice, simple, easy transformation on the back end, and it looks fantastic. Yeah, highly recommend it. Nice and easy as well. But on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios.